What are we doing?
Yeah. After much thought and stress, we've decided to go ahead and put the furnace, the Suburban furnace, right on top of the Suburban water heater in the back of the van, which will become the garage. So anyway, to the point now where I think I've located my holes properly. I ran them a little high because they're going to be on a downward angle coming out of the side of the van, so I just gave it about an extra 3/16 above the line, so hopefully we'll luck out and get pretty close with that, with the slant of the body. So anyway, as always, I recommend the proper beer for the job. And high stress jobs, I always like to consume the Union Jack Firestone IPA. So anyway, okay, let's see. So this furnace is going to go over here like this, line up on the sides, and overhang slightly so I can attach ductwork to it, because before I wasn't going to duct this, but now we're going to need to duct it. So we'll probably bend this flanges, make a little ducting, radius the ducting so there's not a lot of force needed to get the air into the space we need it, where the bulkhead will be right around here. And so we'll have a vent kind of in a strange place, but well, if we even put it there, we might drop it to the floor, but that's something we'll have to think about in the future here. But right now we just want to get the vent or the furnace mounted on the platform. So let's go ahead and drill some holes in the van. So I got my 2 1/4 inch hole saw. As always, you want to double check the radius. Trust but verify. Or make sure that you've got the right size hole, especially because you only do this one time. Once the hole's in the van, the hole's in the van. So let's come around this side. Okay, I have 2 little pilot holes here just to locate where to drill. And obviously we're going to be on a body line, so it's a little tricky. We want to start nice and slow. One down. Okay. Okay, 2 holes. Formally perfectly good. 42-year-old van. Okay, so this go like that right here. On top. And this is how it should look. We'll put a little bend in it like that to make it conform to our body line as much as possible. The screw should do the rest.